pro tip here. The day you get paid to play music is the day you went pro. I don't believe in semi-pro, really, because so many working drummers and musicians have day jobs. I don't feel like philosophically semi-pro is it's not like there's a stair-step level thing, right? If you're getting paid to play music, you're a professional, right? The day you get paid the first time. And you should always treat that as a profession, right? Always treat it as a profession. So band leaders will hire you to play in the pocket and to be solid. And the most important thing is your timing, your subdividing, right? Your subdivisions and serving a song. So song structure is going to come into play. Knowing music, knowing how to interact with other musicians, knowing when to take a solo and when to lay back and just hold down the beat is extremely important, right? So many young guys and gals get out there and start playing, just want to show how awesome they are. Well, that's great in a rock show, but that's not great in a blues show or country music, unless it's a heavier hitting song, right? So that's it. I'll get off my soapbox, but let's get into styles other than pop and rock. Here we go.